It's Kristin here, and welcome to Wallie's World of Toys. First off, I want to thank you all for watching, and if you're new, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and turn on notifications so that you'll never miss a video. Today, I've got some BFF Best Furry Friends little pets. These come in these adorable little carriers. You get one BFF, one bag, and then one house, and one collector's guide. We've got 5 to open today, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll start off right here. Okay, so it opens up like this. And then you just take out your furry friend. But first, let's take a look at our collector's guide here. So here are our common BFFs. I really want the sloth. Our rare BFFs. Then we have our limited editions. We have a golden dragon and a gold glitter multicolor sloth, which I would be very excited to get. Okay, let's see who we have. So here is our little friend. Let's take our little friend so we can see who we have. And I think it's a little deer, actually, which is super cute. And these are furry or flocked. Okay, so this is Furry Anna, the deer. And she is a rare. Super cute. I love if you can see the little, like, spots on her butt there. Very cute. And then so it also comes with this little BFF bag. And I forgot to show you, but here are all the different little bags that come in here. So this bag is just a pink clamshell bag. Super cute. Okay, let's see who our next BFF friend is. Okay, so here's another checklist. We already looked at that. Let's see who it is. So it looks like we have a different color purse or bag. Let's see who this is. Whoa, guys, it's a dragon. This is Dee Dee, the dragon, and she is common. Look at you see this little gold collar she has on, that's very cute. Super cute. And she comes in this little bag that's just called Blue Hearts. Very cute. All right, next up. Let's see who it is. Ooh, it's somebody blue. Oh, look, it's a little pony. So this is Blue Jelly Pippa the Pegasus. You see her little cute wings. She's very colorful. So this one is not fuzzy, and same with the dragon. Dragon's not fuzzy either. Let's see if she'll stand. Okay. And then this little cute bag has a rainbow and a star, and it's just called a rainbow bag. Next one. Okay, so I just noticed this, but this is super cute. It says handle with care, BFF inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I thought that was very cute. Okay, let's see who it is. Looks like we got a kitty. Let's see who this is. Okay, so we've got this adorable little kitty. And their heads actually do move. So this is Dash, the ginger kitty. Super cute. And Dash has this just blue bag called a blue clamshell. Okay, we have one more house to open up today. Who will we get? We've gotten all different bags too, which is pretty cool. Who is it? Her head is like turned around backwards. That's interesting. There we go. Okay, so this looks like a little bunny. And this little bunny's name is Cuddles, and it's a fluffy tail rabbit. Cute little bunny. And here is her little carrier. It's just called Pink Bow. Okay, guys. That is all of the stuff we had to open today. I hope that you enjoyed seeing these BFF best furry friends. Let me know in the comments down below which little animal we got today is your favorite. And I will still be on the hunt for the sloth, so if you would like to see me open more of these, also let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you next time here on Wallie's World of Toys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Have an amazing day. Bye.